Bonjour! We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this French brand of liqueurs best known for its Cordon Rouge product, an orange-flavored liqueur created in 1888 by Alexandre Marnier l'Apostole. It's made from a blend of cognac, distilled essence of bitter orange and sugar. Cordon Rouge is at 40% alcohol. So how do you go about pronouncing the name of this liqueur? With the typical French pronunciation, Grand Marnier. Grand Marnier. The D to Grand in French is silent, so do not pronounce it, but it'd be fine in English or American to say Grand Marnier. Grand Marnier. Do not say Grand Marnier, but rather Grand Marnier. Grand Marnier French liqueur. If you're curious about how cognac brandy is made in France, here is a video tour of Hennessy distillery here in Cognac. Fantastic tour. Or if you want to learn more about how to pronounce useful words from France, here are more tutorials for you. Au revoir.